What do you know about Planned Parenthood? Because knowing all the benefits and knowing everything that Planned Parenthood has to offer can change your outlook on the company. A lot of people definitely aren't for it, and I believe that it's because they don't have enough information on it. And you have to think, what would actually happen if we defunded Planned Parenthood? Sounds like a great idea to those who don't know everything that they have to offer. Some things they offer include providing pregnancy tests, prenatal care, sexually transmitted diseases, screening and treatment, cervical cancer screenings, breast exams, and lastly, Planned Parenthood participated in more than 70 research projects regarding women's reproductive health this past year. They also provide emergency contraception kits, vasectomies, and female sterilization procedures. So, a lot more than just what someone thinks is, oh, they just offer abortions, because it's not true. And if we decide to do defunding, it would affect a lot more people than you would actually think. Not only that, but it is depriving people of their rights, which is unconstitutional. First, I'll tell you who exactly used Planned Parenthood. Most think that it's just teenagers or young adults who make very careless mistakes, which isn't true at all. There are too many people in today's world needing access to facilities such as Planned Parenthood. And of Planned Parenthood's patients, 83 of those were the age of 20 or older, and nearly 80% had incomes at or below 150% of the federal poverty line. We need Planned Parenthood as it is the largest provider of the reproductive health services in the U.S. And not to mention, it also has 700 affiliated health centers across the U.S. So when you take away Planned Parenthood, you take away all the other affiliated centers, making it very difficult for those of low income and those who do use these facilities for these screenings and for their services. You take all of it away. What can we do though? So many people are against this company and they don't know everything that this has to offer. Well, there's a lot of people that protest against it. So you think, okay, what are we going to be able to do? There's so many people that don't know the information about it. They're protesting against it. Protest back. Share the information. That's just two things that you can do. Protesting against those who want Planned Parenthood gone can help others and quote unquote keep the company alive. We can keep healthcare affordable for everyone. People can get the proper health services and information that they need. Planned Parenthood can keep women safe and we can help them. It's easy. Now, I want you to imagine something. Imagine a situation where you would need these services, or possibly think of someone else that you know that might need these services. Or imagine you had low income. Ask yourself, what will it be like if we can carry out these actions? If we can help save Planned Parenthood? Ask yourself, what will it be like if we defund Planned Parenthood? Who's it going to affect? Because although it might not affect you, it might affect someone that you know. Low-income families, teens, and many others are going to suffer due to the lack of available options that Planned Parenthood has to offer. They might not be able to receive these services elsewhere. What if Planned Parenthood is the only health facility in their area? Or if they can't afford it, they don't have insurance, or their local other health facility doesn't offer all these things. I know as a woman, it's hard to get into the doctor to receive these things, or because insurance doesn't cover it. There's a lot of different things that people go through that might not be able to receive elsewhere. Nothing will be able to replace Planned Parenthood, and defunding will make a great loss to access, not only for women though, but for men and adolescents as well. And if you want to help protect the many struggling families, you need to do your research and put yourself in their shoes, because it's going to make a difference. And I know I stand with Planned Parenthood, and I can't make a difference alone. So will you stand with Planned Parenthood and make a difference? Because you're not only supporting the services, but you're supporting the providers as well. The attacks on Planned Parenthood and the work is definitely something that gets overlooked. You see these protesters, they're not only attacking those who go in and get these services, but they're also attacking the workers as well. And all you have to do is stand up, stand with them, and share the information. Because knowing everything that they have to offer might change other people's minds as well. Thank you.